Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making this amazing gnocchi soup with this amazing garlic bread as well. We hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more. The ingredients you're going to need is 10 ounces of boneless and skinless chicken thighs, 1 cup of shredded carrots, a half cup of chopped celery, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 diced onion, 1.5 cups of baby spinach, half teaspoon of dried parsley, half teaspoon of dried thyme, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half stick of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 16 ounces of gnocchi, 1 quart half and half, 32 ounces of chicken broth, and a half cup of Parmesan cheese. Add a half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper to the chicken. Heat the pan and add in some oil and fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked. Cook the gnocchi for about 3 to 5 minutes, and once it is cooked, filter it. Heat the pan, add in the butter, and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First add in the onions. Then the garlic. Then fry the flour until the raw aroma goes away. Then you have to fry it in very low flame. Then add in the half and half. Then add in the chicken broth. Then you can add in the spices. Right now we're adding in parsley flakes. Thyme leaves. Then nutmeg. Now it's time to add in the vegetables. Right now we're adding in the celery, carrots. Also add the salt according to your taste, how much ever you'd prefer. Now add in the chicken. Now once it's been filtered, you can add in the gnocchi. Finally, you can add in the spinach and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's ready. You can add Parmesan cheese on top of it. Now, as you can see, our gnocchi soup is ready. Here we have garlic Texas toast alongside it, and it looks absolutely delicious. Dip it inside and you'll have a great taste of it. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.